Imagine waking up to the sunrise nestled against the greenbelt. Near downtown Olympia, schools, waterfront activities, and all that Puget Sound has to offer is right here.
I used to line up my life beside yours, count the shine, count the score.
Welcome to this beautiful 4-bedroom home in Evergreen Point. With plenty of natural light, this home offers sunset views from the upstairs living area.
Not behind, not away. I gave myself a
Step outside to a fully fenced backyard with a hot tub, inviting patio, and raised garden beds.
the measure.
This home truly checks all the boxes.
Tread